Hey Kath, I was just I'm just testing Screencast to see if I can do picture over picture. So it's recording. It's got my webcam in here, and so this is the Screengrader that I was telling you about. So you're going through Unit 1, Lesson 2, and you can go through the comments. This is Donald's, and you know Donald. Of course, oh wow, it's been a whole week since I've done this. You put the grade in here. But the assignment comment, so that is a video. And it's really simple. You can do a text comment right here, or you just click this button in media comment. Now this may go wrong because it's media over media, but it comes up like this. And right now I have the webcam, but usually you can just start recording and it records a little video. And then it saves it directly in there to do comments. So it's all integrated in the Speedgrader. I don't know if you guys have gotten over that in your class, but so you can click on webcam, but right now, obviously, Screencast is doing it. So anyways, also one thing I was thinking about with Screencast, you just upload things. And so instead of a discussion forum, you could do a YouTube channel. And so the students, straight from Screencast, it goes straight into your, like mine goes straight up to acopeland@mpc.edu. Anyways, I'm just filming this to do an example for myself, to check that I still remember. And it's got the picture-in-picture, which is nice, which is kind of the reason behind the video recordings to the commentary, even though my hair has had better days. But the students are used to me now. All right. Hope you're having a great day. Okay. Later.